Assalamu alaikum. Dear learners, how are you? Hope you are all. During COVID-19, you are staying at home and feeling boring. But it is a matter of sorrow that we have nothing to do here. For your betterment, some classes have been arranged for you. As a part of this, I am Muhammad Tuhidul Islam, your teacher, going to conduct this class. This class very important. The student of class 8, 9 and 10 can enjoy this class. Dear learners, let's start the class. First, look at the screen. Who is he? Do you know him? He is Stephen Hawking. Let's know more about him. Ancient passages on Stephen Hawking, our today's lesson. Read the passage carefully. Stephen Hawking is considered the greatest physicist after Einstein. He was born in England in 1942. He was very skilled in mathematics from an early age. তিনি গণিতে খুব ভালো দক্ষ ছোটবেলা থেকেই. He wrote the book A Brief History of Time from the Big Bang to the Present Times in 1988. In this book, he explains cosmology for general public. It became famous and established his reputation as a great scientist. তিনি একটা বই লেখেন Brief History of Time in 1988. তিনি explain করেন cosmology. It became famous and established his reputation as a great scientist. এটা তাকে বিখ্যাত বানায়, যশ খ্যাতি এনে দেয়. He received the PhD degree in cosmology from a Cambridge University in 1968. 1968 সালে তিনি কেমব্রিজ ইউনিভার্সিটিতে PhD লাভ করেন. But fortune did not favor him. কিন্তু ভাগ্য তার সহিল না. In 1972, he became a victim of Gehrig's disease. Gehrig's একটা disease, এই রোগ একটা fatal disease, uncurable disease. তিনি victim হলেন, শিকার হলেন, আক্রান্ত হলেন. Since then, he has been confined to a wheelchair with no power to control his body. নিজের দেহকে কন্ট্রোল করার শক্তি তার ছিল না, হুইল পারে চলাফেরা করতেন. But he continues teaching through the help of computer. তবে তিনি শিক্ষকতা চালিয়ে গেছিলেন কম্পিউটারের মাধ্যমে. In 1974, he won the prestigious Albert Einstein Award for theoretical physics. তিনি পদার্থবিজ্ঞানে আলবার্ট আইনস্টাইনের আলবার্ট আইনস্টাইন নামে যে পুরস্কার সেটা তিনি গ্রহণ করেন. In 1974, he joined the Cambridge University as a Lucasian Professor of Mathematics. তিনি কেমব্রিজ ইউনিভার্সিটিতে আবারও লুকাসিয়ান প্রফেসর হিসেবে যোগদান করেন. He is still carrying out his research work using his computer. কম্পিউটার মাধ্যমেই কাজ চালিয়ে যাচ্ছেন ভার্চুয়াল ওয়ে. He passed away in 2018 at the age of 76. 2018 সালে তিনি 76 বয়সে মারা যান. Dear learners, now we have to for your better understanding, some new words are given here. Cosmology means originative. 60. Prestigious, honorable, সম্মানিত, মর্যাদাপূর্ণ. Gehrig's, fatal or incurable disease. Pass away means die, মানে মারা যাওয়া. Stephen Hawking. Notice Stephen Hawking. how he could not control his body, so he carried on a bike and worked on his own computer. Let's read the text again. Stephen Hawking is considered the greatest physicist after Einstein. He was born in England in 1942. He was very skilled in mathematics from an early age. He wrote the book A Brief History of Time from the Big Bang to the present time in 1981. In this book he explains cosmology for general public. He became famous and established his reputation as a great scientist. He received his PhD in cosmology from Cambridge University in 1968, but fortune did not favor him. In 1971, he became the victim of Gerig disease. Since then, he has been confined to a wheelchair with no power to control his body, but he continues teaching through the help of computer. In 1974, he won the prestigious Albert Einstein Award for theoretical physics. In 1974, he joined in Cambridge University as Lucasian Professor of Mathematics. He is still carrying out his research work using his computer. Dear learners, we have to complete the table. Number 1, born. Number 1, year or time. Number 2, in 1988. Number 3, became Lucasian Professor of Mathematics. Number 4, PhD. Number 5, what happened in 1974? Think about the matter and try to answer the question. Very quick. Dear learners, here's the answer. Number 1, 1942. Number 2, A Brief History of Time, Cambridge University. 1968, Albert Einstein Award. These are the answer. You have to answer in this way. Next, write the summary of the passage in about 90 to 100 words in your own words. Dear learners, this item is class for 9 and 10. Try to summarize the passage and write on your khata. For class 8, the item, write true or false of the following statement. If false, give the correct answer for class 8. Number 1, Stephen Hawking is not alive. He was an American physician. He was the inventor of cosmology theory. He became the professor of Cambridge University. Stephen Hawking died of cancer. The answer, follow the answer, match the answer. Number 1, true. Number B, false. Correct answer, he was a British scientist. Number C, true. Number D, true. Number E, false. Correct answer, Stephen Hawking died of Gerig. Okay, thank you. Thank you all. Dear learners, stay at home and keep healthy. Stay at home and keep yourself fit. Thank you all. I wish all of you success and good luck and safety. Dear learners, follow this class, practice at your home. Thank you. Thank you very much. See you again.